One of the big ideas that we operate at Valencia, and really about what the whole induction process for new students is to help students start right. And by that we mean that we've intentionally designed our processes and our procedures on our requirements so that students can be, as our president says, the first minute of the first class is a learning minute. And so there's a lot of things that students need to do to prepare for that, and faculty, and to really make sure that, that everybody can hit the ground running in that first minute of class. Some of the procedures that we've put in place, for example, that is a little bit unique for for the two-year college or the community colleges, we do have an application priority deadline, and we have a financial aid priority deadline. We do require the entry assessment when students come in so that we get them into the courses that they need to be in exactly in time. We make sure that they're in the right, they have the right prerequisites, they have the right test scores for the courses in which they're enrolled. And then one rule that is very unique is that students cannot add a class after it's met once. So that really helps reduce the chaos of that first week. Now, students have 10 days where they can drop a class if they decide, without penalty. They don't have to pay for it. It doesn't show on their record. So they can drop a class, but they can't add a class once it's met. And that helps the faculty and the students know that the students that are sitting in the class that first day are pretty much the students that are going to be in that class. So we talk about Start Right a lot, and as I mentioned, it's one of the big ideas, but it's really an operating principle that we work on, and we invoke it when we're redesigning procedures and processes, and we often would say, well, how is that a Start Right practice? And so it becomes like kind of a gut check for those of us who are very devoted to this idea of helping all students start right at Valencia.